So DMart continues to remain in focus. We'll also try and get a technical view on that counter. Nagaraj Shetti, senior technical research analyst at HDFC Securities, now joins us. Mr. Shetti, afternoon. Your view technically on DMart. Snehi just presented the bull versus bear scenario, but that was of course a fundamental bit of it. Where do you see the stock headed in the near term?
Hi, good afternoon, Shesha. DMart, no doubt, has been a constant downtrend over the last 4 months. We have seen lower tops and bottom formation without any respite. The stock has been hammered from the highs of around 4,900 levels to almost 3,800 levels. Most of the damage has been done. I think some more weakness is left. Another 150 at lower levels, around 36.50, 37. I'm expecting the stock to get the support base around 3,700 to 3,650 levels, where I'm expecting the chances of sharp bounce back from the lower levels.
That's the view coming in on Avenue Supermarkets, SBI and Shriram Finance.
Yeah, State Bank has been a strong uptrend over the last few months. Long-term, medium-term charts are still positive. And after showing a consolidation pattern, it has witnessed upside breakout of a small range. SBI currently trading around 975 levels. Overall chart pattern is looking positive, and I'm expecting more upside towards the 1,000 to 1,010 levels, which is the next set of hurdle for the stock price in the near term. And Shriram Finance is also similar kind of a movement what we can observe. We observed the range mod action somewhere around 870, 880 levels. Today made an attempt of breakout of the range, was not successful. I'm expecting the trend remains intact for Shriram as well, and more upside is likely towards 880 to 890, which is the next strong resistance for the stock price in the near term.
On that note, we'll slip into a very short break, and when we return, we'll track the last lap of the market. So you state sense on how Asian Paints is shaping up on the chart.
Yeah, in AXO, we have seen some block deal. Because of that, sharp decline was seen in today's session by around 13%. Chartically, the stock has done enough from the higher levels, and 3,050 to 3,000 is going to be a good support for this stock price. I'm expecting possibility of an upside bounce from the low levels. I think 3,000 to 3,050 is going to be a strong support. And the second is Asian Paints, and the stock price has witnessed selling pressure from near 3,000 levels and showing consolidation pattern. I'm not expecting a great chart pattern for the bulls right now. Having a run up from the 2,300 to 2,950 and showing some correction, I think it's going to be a beginning of the correction, and some more weakness could be there. Overall chart pattern is indicating negative bias for the stock price in the near term. I'm expecting 2,650 is going to be the next set of support for the stocks, at least in the next couple of weeks.
That's the technical view coming in on the entire paint sector, but we now have Mr. Pashupati Advani from Global Foray now joining us. Mr. Advani, afternoon, your view on the paint sector, anything that you can spot for us, and fundamentally, how does the sector appear to you days ahead? Thanks so much for taking us through that. So IOB in pressure today on the back of this OFS that has been launched by the government, and this is happening at a 7% discount to the market price right now. So on the back of that, in fact, the stock has seen some more pressure. At one point it was low by about 3%, but a 6% cut is now what we're seeing on IOB. Nagaraj, quick take on Indian Overseas Bank. Are you tracking this stock, and how is it shaping up on the chart?
Yeah, shaping up negatively. It was coming down since last many sessions, and today came down sharply after the announcement. Chartically looking weak, 33 is going to be the next support. I don't know whether that's going to hold or not. Chartically, even RSI volume pattern is also indicating more weakness in the near term. So time being, 33 is going to be a support. Let's see how things work out. Even though it bounced back strongly, but I'm not expecting that's going to sustain for now.
Okay, so that's the view on Indian Overseas Bank. But let's also talk about Hindustan Zinc. That one has been buzzing for the last several trading sessions on account of surge in silver prices in the global market. Remember, silver is now past that $65 per ounce mark. It has gained more than 6% in the last 2-3 sessions alone. Hindustan Zinc, of course, is the direct beneficiary because it generates more than 20% of its revenue from silver operations. Kunal, your view on Hindustan Zinc at 578?